Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we can celebrate beauty in all shapes and size. In this video we are bringing you a fabulous collection of winter dresses for plus size women that are sure to keep you warm and look gorgeous during the chilly months. So don't let the cold weather damp your fashion spirit. We have handpicked a variety of dresses that cater to different style and occasion. Whether you are heading to a holiday party, cozying up by the fire or going for a casual winter stroll, we have got you covered. Each dress's features in this video is not only trendy but also designed to flatter your curves and keep you comfortable. We will provide you with the styling tips and suggestions on how to accessorize these outfits to make them unique yours. So stay tuned for some fashion inspiration and ideas on how to look your best in this winter season. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident regardless of your size. Embrace your beauty and let these dresses help you, don't just that. If you find this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion content and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Let's make this winter your most stylish and confident season. Thank you for watching. So with stunning dresses that celebrate your curves, whether you are attending a holiday party or just want to feel fabulous on a chilly day, our selection of dresses will make you the belly of the winter ball. Step into the season with confidence, explore your stylish and confident footwear options from trendy boots to cozy slippers, ensuring you stay fashionable from head to toe. Complete your winter look with the perfect accessories. Discover scarves, hats and gloves that not only keep you warm but also add that extra touch of glam to your ensemble. So girls, embrace your curves, showcase your style and let your confidence shine in this winter. Don't let the cold weather dull your fashion sense. Instead, use it as an opportunity to showcase your unique beauty. So ready to slay this winter? Hit play and let's dive into the world of plus size winter fashion together. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your fellow queens. Let's spread positivity and fashion inspiration this season. Please watch this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video you will see 100 new designs, 100 new ideas during my YouTube channel. So please girls, support me and subscribe our YouTube channel. You are watching 100 new designs, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.